Hello all, and today our topic is memories. As we know that memories are used to store the data. Generally, the man can store the data, every information in brain. Similarly, the memories are used to store the data, which is helpful to the electronic equipments to remember the data and information. Generally, man can listen, hear, can see everything, but a machine can't. We should convert these kind of information into binary language. The binary language which is understood by machines. Simply, I took a word hello and I can see it. I can recognize the word hello, but a machine can't recognize like human. So we should convert this word into binary. After converting this word, the machine can recognize the information. As we know that the information is recognized, but I supposed to store the data. The data here is hello. I want to store hello. Man can easily store hello in brain, but in mission it requires some memories. Generally, the memories are many types. Some of them are flash memories and PROMs are there, semiconductor memories, ROM and ROM. Here we, we are not going a deep explanation regarding memories, but we are we are making an awareness over memories. The main purpose of memories to remember the data which we can use in our future. If it is stored, it can be used later. So the data is converted into zeros and ones and we are supposed to store the data. What we need to store the data? This binary data. We face this challenge to store the data. As we know, to store the data, what we use. Generally, here in electronics, we use a capacitor to store the data. It's a general example, not an actual one. The capacitor can store a 0 and 1. And here the zeros and ones are stored in capacitors that can be kept for some time. The memories are two types. Semiconductor memories are two types: non-volatile and volatile memory. And what the difference between volatile and non-volatile memories? Non-volatile memories remain same when there is no power. But in volatile memories, the data will go off. That means everything will erase if there is no power. Those kind of memories are called as volatile memories. So HDD hard disk flash everything out, non-volatile memories, and a DRAM is volatile memory. We're not going for that here. Now we may get some information about our memories, how and what are the difference and everything. In the next video we can get more information regarding memories. Hope you all like it and mention everything in comments for my future video. Thank you all.